Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, so what I've been doing, I've been changing the disc brakes on a Lexus IS200. If you're new to the video, there should be a link popping up to show you the disassembly. This will be the reassembly video. Okay, so first of all, once you've cleaned everything up, I've put some WD to make it a bit more smooth, because there's a hassle getting the other one off, the brake disc, which is over there. So this is a new one. What you want to do, put the new one straight into matching holes, because it's a universal fit. And then after that you want to put that part of the caliper on and screw it down with the 17mm, I think it is, nut. Right, so once you've got the second part of the caliper on, make sure you tighten the two nuts pretty tightly again. That will hold it in place. Next, what you want to do is put the second part of the caliper on. I would recommend putting the first bolt in first, and then you can lift it up, put the brake pads in and close it back down, then you can then put the second bolt in. Right, so I've put the first bolt on, and then you can then lift it up, pop your brake pads back on. Even if it's new or used, I'm putting back on the old ones because they're pretty good still. And then you've got these little clips, they just go in a hole. There's another one there, two little holes. After that you can close this down and attach the other bolt there. Okay, so now that you've bolted both of them back on, you're good to go. Just put your wheel back on and that will hold the disc in place. Thanks for watching and subscribe.